The zip code? It's 92301. Perfect. Thank you. All right, man. Appreciate it, man.
All right, anytime, brother. You have a good day, brother. Have a good day at work.
Yeah, well.
Don't work too hard. Yeah. This was a quick tow. The member broke down on the freeway. The fuel pump cut out on him. He was in the fast lane, so there was a bunch of cars passing him, beeping. He had his hazard lights on. But anyways, you guys, if you made it to the end of the video, if you can, hit that like button, hit that follow button, and until next time, you guys, see you later.